Now let's kind of talk about sleet. Sleet sometimes is kind of a mystery for people. There's a lot of confusion in regards to what is rain, what is freezing rain, what is sleet, what is snow. What's the difference between them? So we've kind of built a graphic here to help break it down for you and show why we think sleet could actually be a bit of a nuisance as we go out on the roadways. Isn't that right, Chris?
Yeah, and thank you for putting this graphic together, Shane. So what it's looking like as we've been monitoring the trends over the past hour or so is we were expecting the models were showing a very thick warm layer. So essentially what happens is you have these snowflakes to develop just below where the jets fly, and then they fall and they hit this warm layer of air that's above freezing. So those snowflakes, they melt in the raindrops, but then they refreeze as they hit the surface where you have those sub-freezing temperatures. Well, it looks like the models were underestimating the depth or just the potency of this cold air mass. So that warm layer that Shane and I have been talking about, as well as Hunter, that actually is a little bit less. So those snowflakes, they fall, they partially melt, and then they refreeze, and then they hit the surface kind of like little ping pong balls or like the Dippin' Dots, and that's what we're seeing out there, and that's going to lead to some issues, some major issues on the roadways. Now, it's good that we're seeing the sleet in terms of the power outages, because you don't see that sleet accumulate on power lines, but it does cause some significant issues on the roadways.